Okay, so good day guys. So today we're going to make a video of a context-free grammar. Okay, so all of your requirements or activities, you need to submit your requirements or activity in gracielgonzalez16@gmail.com. Okay, let's start. So what is context-free grammar? So context-free grammar stands for context-free grammar or CFG. It is a formal grammar which is used to generate all possible patterns of a string in a given formal language. Context-free grammar G can be defined by four tuples as G is equals to BTPS, where G is the grammar which consists of a set of the production rule. It is used to generate the string of a language. This is a set of a production rule. B is the final set of non-terminal symbols. It is denoted by a capital letter. Again, B, it is a final set of non-terminal symbols. Okay? P is a set of production rules which is used for replacing non-terminal symbols on the left side of the production in a string with other terminal or non-terminal symbols on the right side of the production. S is a start symbol which is used to derive the string. We can derive the string by repeatedly replacing a non-terminal by the right hand side of the production until all non-terminal have been replaced by terminal symbols. Okay? This what's the definitions of a GBTPS for the four tuples. Example: construct the CFG for the language having any numbers of a's over the sets of sigma is equals to a. Solution: as we know, the regular expression for the above language is regular expression is equals to a closure star. Production rule for the regular expression is as follows. This is the production rule. A gives AS, this is the rule number 1, and A gives empty, this is the rule number 2. Now, if we want to derive a string, 6 A's for A, we can start with start symbols S. Okay, this again, this is a production rule for the regular expression is as follows. A gives AS, rule 1, S gives empty, rule 2. So we start again in the production of the S symbols. So S gives AS, so we write AS here. Then we write A. Then S gives rule number 1 AS, so we write AS again. Then write down the double A. Then S gives AS again, write the AS, rule number 1. Then write down the A. Then write again the rule number 1 AS, so we write the AS here. Then we write down again A. Then S gives AS again, so this is rule number 1 again. Then we write down A. Then S gives rule number 1 again, AS. Okay. Then write down the A. Now, we get already the 6 A's. So S gives, we're going to use rule number 2, empty. Okay. Then we write down the A. We don't need to write these empty symbols because we already get the string A. So we just write down the A here. This is how to get this. This is how to use the context-free grammar of this particular example. Okay, again, example number 2. Construct a CFG for a language of L is equals to WCWR, where W is a sigma AB star. Okay, empty AB star. Now, the string can be generated for a given language is AA, CAA, BCB, A, B, C, B, A, B, A, C, A, B, A, B, B, C, B, B, A. Okay, the grammar could be A gives A as A, this is the rule number 1, S gives B as B, this is the rule number 2, and S gives C, rule number 3. Now, if we want to derive a string A, B, B, C, B, B, A, we can start with start symbols. A gives A as A, this one, rule number 1. Then S gives A, so we have an S here, so S gives B as B, so we write B as B, then we write down the A here, this is from the rule number 2. Then S gives, we write down the AB, okay, then we have here S, so we write down again the rule number 2, B S B, write down the BA here, so this from rule number 2. Then S gives A, we write down the ABB, okay. Then we have here the S gives C, because we need C here, so we get this C here. Then write down the BBA, so write down the BBA. So we now already have our S gives ABB, CBBA. Thus, any of this kind of string can be derived from the given production rules. Okay? So, this lecture, we got this from Automata Context Pregrammar, CFG Java Point. Okay, thank you for this lecture in the Java Point. So, if you have some questions, just message me in Rachel Gonzalez16 at gmail.com, and I will give you the activity in our LMS regarding of a context free grammar. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye. God bless.